Congratulations, you've made it! This concludes our course, SC-900, Introduction to Microsoft Security, Compliance and Identity. So let's recap what we've covered. We began by exploring the core principles of security, compliance and identity, building an understanding of zero trust, defense in depth, and the shared responsibility model that guides modern protection strategies. Then we introduced Microsoft Entra, where we examined identity and access management capabilities, such as authentication, authorization, conditional access, and governance, helping us understand how organizations secure and manage users and resources. We continued with Microsoft Defender XDR and related threat protection solutions, learning how Microsoft detects, prevents, and responds to threats across endpoints, identities, email, and even apps. From there, we examined Microsoft Sentinel and its CM and SOAR capabilities to see how organizations collect data, identify threats, and automate responses at scale. Finally, we focus on Microsoft Purview, highlighting solutions for information protection, data lifecycle management, insider risk management, and compliance reporting. By now, you should have gained a solid understanding of the foundational components in Microsoft's security, compliance, and identity ecosystem, enabling you to confidently navigate the product landscape and prepare for the next steps. So let's put that knowledge to work. The SC-900 Introduction to Microsoft Security, Compliance, and Identity exam is designed as an entry point. It helps you connect the concepts from this course to real-world Microsoft Cloud scenarios. It focuses on 4 key study areas: core security, compliance, and identity concepts, Microsoft Entra, Microsoft Security Solutions, and Microsoft Compliance Solutions. Together, these map directly to the learning paths you followed, so nothing here should feel unfamiliar. Instead, it reinforces what you already know and frames it in an exam and job-ready context. What makes this exam especially valuable is how it supports your learning journey beyond theory. The percentage weighting helps you understand where to focus your study time, with higher weighted areas reflecting topics you are more likely to see in the exam. However, don't skip any. Every point counts. I would encourage you to use practical preparation resources like exam prep videos, the study guide in the exam page, the exam sandbox, and practice assessments, all designed to build confidence before the exam day. It's not just about passing an exam. It's about validating foundational skills, understanding common use case scenarios across security, identity, and compliance, and having a recognized certification that shows you're ready to take the next step in Microsoft security learning. And if you're wondering what could be next in your learning journey, now that you have mastered the basics, you can look into deeper role-based certifications, depending on interests and/or career goals. One option is the SC-200, Microsoft Security Operations Analyst, which is ideal for those interested in defending organizations against threats. This course applies foundational security knowledge to investigate alerts, respond to incidents, and hunt for risks using tools like Microsoft Sentinel and Microsoft Defender. Another option is SC-300, Microsoft Identity and Access Administrator, which focuses on how organizations design and manage identity using Microsoft Entra. This is where concepts like authentication, access control, and identity governance come to life through scenarios such as securing user access to applications, managing permissions, and protecting identities across cloud environments. There are more courses available in Microsoft Learn, and you can browse self-paced or even find instructor-led training options that can help you gain hands-on skills and long-term career growth in security and identity. Thank you for joining us on this course. Remember, there are many ways to continue your learning journey. Check out Microsoft Learn at aka.ms/learn for a variety of self-paced learning options. Stay informed, stay resilient, stay protected.